Happy New Year! If you resolve to be a little bit more self-reliant in 2021, we'd love to help you with that. One of the easier do-it-yourself jobs is to swap out your wiper blades. I'll show you just how easy it is on today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Streaky wiper blades are annoying, and it can even be hazardous. This is one do-it-yourself task that is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First step is to make sure you have the proper replacement blades. I swear, there's a different type of windshield wiper blade for every vehicle out there. Don't guess. Proper fitment is needed to prevent damage. To find the exact wiper blade size specified by Honda, check your owner's manual. And if you can't find it in your owner's manual, Ryan Honda is just a phone call away. Next, you'll want to slip off your old blades. Don't just yank them off. There's a little tab that you need to hold in so that the blade slides off the hook. Pay attention to how the blade fits on your wiper arm, because the new blade should go in the same way the old one came out. Piece of cake, right? Well, after watching this Tech Tip Tuesday, you may think, nope, not gonna do it. That's okay. We'd be happy to take care of it for you. Simply give us a call here at Ryan Honda or schedule online anytime at ryanhondaminot.com. And remember, if you live in Minot, we offer free pickup and delivery.